friends, it's Shereé, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all of the things that I received in my February ThreadCrate box. I'm so excited to tell you what's in here. Before I open this box and show you all the goodies, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning person, thank you so much for your continued support. Now, I'm filming in my room. I don't like to film in here. The lighting is not very good, but it's the only quiet place in my house right now. The room that I normally film in has been taken over by my husband and my children. My husband's working out. My kids are playing video games. So I got kicked to the curb, but that's perfectly okay. I just showered and I got myself all moisturized and I put on my comfy dress. And I'm in relaxation mode, so they can have that room, okay? I'm just gonna have girl time with you guys, okay, in my room, in my cozy space, okay? So that's what we're doing. Let's open this box. Now, I mentioned in a couple of other videos that this month's box is the biggest ThreadCrate box so far. And before I gush over all the wonderful things that are in this box, I do want to let you know that I am not paid to open this box. I love this subscription. I pay for it with my own money. I am an affiliate, so I do get a small commission on anyone's subscription that's signed up using my link, but I love and stand by this company, okay? So reviews are all my own. Also, I have a discount code, so make sure you use that discount code to save 10% off your first subscription box, and the code is Shereé10. All right, let's do this. So when you first open the box, there's this lovely red paper on top. We'll toss that to the side. And then there's this little leaflet that tells you everything that's in the box. All right, so the first thing it talks about is the fabric, but actually, I don't know that I want to go in order by the card. I think I'm just going to dig in. It's a little bit more fun that way. The first thing that's in here is this really great bag, and it says Maker's Gonna Make, and it has all these wonderful sewing themed pictures all over it. I'll put it up close. Hopefully you can make out some of those little designs on the bag. It's so cute. And these are always handy, guys. I mean, to carry little bits and bobs when you're out and around and about. Also at the grocery store, if you're just gonna run in and pick up a couple of things. I really like that this is in the box. Okay, it's like Christmas, okay? So right on top, I see something I'm in love with, and it is this wonderful rainbow zipper. Guys, this is like one of the longest zippers I think I've ever seen. Let's see, how long is this zipper? I'm sure it's on that information card. The zipper is 28 inches long. That's great. Oh my gosh, isn't this fabulous? Look at all these fun colors. I'm a colors girl. I love all the colors. So this is fantastic. I love this so much. Okay, so the other one, there's two zippers. This one is a silver zipper. And it is the same length as the rainbow one. All right, so the next thing in the box is this Bobbin Saver. These are so cool, you guys. So I don't know if you have seen my other videos before, but on my little pegboard behind my desk, I actually have bobbins. I said pegboard, is that what it's called? It's a corkboard. I have all these little bobbins that I have pre-wound, and you know, they were left over from different projects that I worked on, and they're stuck up there with sewing pins. And it looks cute from a distance, but up close, it's a hot mess because all the threads are starting to unravel a bit. So there's like 2 to 3 inches of threads hanging down, probably on each of those bobbins. So this is something that will definitely come in handy. So if you have some wound bobbins, you can fill it up in there and it'll keep them nice and wound tightly. So this is a really cool tool to have received, and definitely not something that I would have probably purchased on my own. As you can see, I got a little DIY and I just kind of figured it out. You know what I'm saying? So this is really neat that this is in the box, and it's going to get my corkboard looking good again. All right, so the next thing in the box is a little plastic bag, and there's lots of little things in here. First, look at me close up before I start digging in there. And let's see. Oh my gosh, look how cute. It's a keychain and it's little scissors. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. That is so cute. Okay, so this is the thread that's in the box. It's black to match the fabric. And this, there's two of them. These are little thread holders. Does it say? Yeah, thread spool savers. And these are a perfect solution for taming wild thread ends and retaining thread tension. Oh, this is cool. So there's two of them in there. So nice. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. What else is in here? There are wooden buttons. Guys, I'm obsessed with buttons. I have so many buttons and they're all very special to me, and I'm a weirdo. I like to buy those big containers of mixed random buttons, and I like to sort them. It's weird, but it's very therapeutic for me. But I love these little buttons because on the buttons it says handmade with love. Those are adorable. I can't wait to use these. You know, I have a couple of patterns for really cute cardigans for little kids, and they're open at the bottom, but they have one little button at the top. This would be so perfect for that. Oh, so cute. I love it. Okay, what else is in the box? There's also little clips, as we receive in most of the boxes so far. Fabric clips. Wonderful. And then there's a little envelope for the needle. Yep, one needle in here. And let's see, this needle is actually a ballpoint needle. Wonderful. Okay, the next thing in the box is interfacing. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad this is included in the box. I go through interfacing like crazy. So if this project needs interfacing, it's good that it's in the box. Wonderful. Okay. Okay, so this is new and very helpful. I'll show you up close. This is a ThreadCrate fabric care instructions. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that she included this. It says wash cold with light colors, dry on low, medium, and iron on low, and press with a cloth if needed. Okay, that's very helpful. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so this is so cute. It's a coffee mug, right? And the handle of the mug is actually a tape measure. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh, look at this cup. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I just shared in a recent video how obsessed I am with tea, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait to use this mug with my new tea. So also, if you didn't see my other video, I'm in love with this new tea subscription. Totally off topic, forgive me. But if you want some tea to go in this mug, you should definitely check out Tea by C or Tea by Claire. I have a discount code for her as well. It's $5 off your first order, which is a good deal. And right now I'm loving their Blue People Oolong tea. It's so good. This would be perfect for that. I cannot wait to have a cup of tea. Look at this handle. It's a tape measure. That's just so darling. I love that. Oh, so cute. All right. So now we're gonna get to the fabric, guys, and it's hefty. So this is the fabric. First of all, how on earth do you fold fabric like this? I almost don't want to unfold it because God knows I would not be able to refold it as nicely as it is right here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it just because I want to be able to see how it drapes. This is gorgeous. Okay, so this fabric is... it's Ponte, okay? It is a double knit fabric that is great for garments that require structure. Wow, okay, so let's open it. It's very heavy. It's nice quality. I actually have some Ponte in my fabric stash, but let me tell you, it does not feel this nice or this stretchy. This is fantastic weight. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, good. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. So this is the fabric. Let's talk about the pattern, okay? So this month's pattern, guys, it's a bomber jacket. I am obsessed with bomber jackets. I have so many bomber jackets, but I can never have too many. And I love that it's a black fabric because it will go with everything. And if you want to be flashy with color, that's why you got this guy, okay? Oh my gosh, I'm having all of these thoughts of lining colors that I could use for this bomber jacket. The actual bomber jacket pattern is the Ollie bomber jacket, and it's by Sew a Little Seam. And I actually looked them up on YouTube, and they have a sew along for this particular pattern. So that is so helpful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this pattern, the sizes go from a size 32 bust to a size 50 bust. So this is extremely inclusive. Again, another reason why I love this company is that it's so very inclusive. And on the second page of the pattern, we have some discount codes for PDF plotting. So if you don't want to print off your own PDFs and tape them together like many people don't, I've kind of become accustomed to it. I do it so often now because a lot of indie patterns are PDFs. It's just kind of something that I just kind of like roll it into the whole project time frame. But if you don't want to do that, there's two lovely options that we have here. It's Blueprints Printing, and it's 15% off, and that's a really good deal. And then the other one is pdfplotting.com, and for that one it's 10% off. So some really great options there for PDF plotting if you don't want to tape your patterns together. You guys, this is an amazing box, okay? I will put all of the information down below on how to sign up using my link, of course, and also the pricing information for the ThreadCrate box. I guarantee you that if you go to buy all of the items needed to make this bomber jacket, you're probably gonna spend more than what this box costs. And in addition to the wonderful fabric and the pattern, we got all these little extra items in the box. I'm so very thrilled, and this is the best ThreadCrate box yet. And I'm so excited about future ThreadCrate boxes. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, if you liked it, please do give me a thumbs up. It does help my channel out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I can't wait to upload another video for you. Happy sewing! Bye!